Hi guys. So today we are going to let's see how this works. So I got my wait one second. I've got my hold on. There we go. Yeah, I've got my servos over here for right now because I'm not gonna be dealing with that right now at this time. Here they are. I'll deal with them later. Because I'm gonna be redesigning this whole setup. But not gonna mess with that right now because right now we gotta pull a servo from here. So I bought this car. I bought this car from Goodwill. As you can see, it's a Goodwill sticker. So I bought it from Goodwill, but here's the thing. Here's why I bought it. Check this out. What? Yeah, there's a it sounds like there's a servo in here. So that's what I'm hoping to get. I'm hoping to get this servo. If I can get this servo, then I can replace it. Then I can replace this servo with this one and hopefully move this arm a little bit easier. That's the goal. So I can move this arm a little bit easier. That's a goal. We'll see if we can get that working. But first, we're gonna pull the servo out. So stand with me. Hopefully you guys can see. So it cost me here. Let's see if I can get it on camera. There we go. $3.49. If I can get a good servo off of this, be money well spent. So let's check it out. I got my screwdrivers over here. So let's see if we can get this out. Oh, these guys, the screws are here tight, but they're coming. So having these mini screwdrivers, it's really beneficial for working with servos and working with the Arduino. Really, you're gonna need to buy yourself some mini screwdrivers if you are going to be working with the Arduino. These ones I had on me, they came with, I don't remember how old I was when I got these, but I was young. You can get better ones. These are just the ones I've always had, so I'm using them. Come on. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. There it goes. Come on. You got this. So that's why these are not the best, because they're very thin and hard to get a good grip on them. But they work for what they need them for. Boom. Haha. Ah, cool. Well, we got that off. Now then, where's the servo? Which one's the one this one was? This one. Servo's in. Alright. I guess I'll put these screws in here for later use if I need them. There's one more. Okay. Now, so this is what the card looks like now. I think I need to wait this way. Aha, there we go. I think the servos are right here. So I need to get rid of this guy. I need to open up this guy. Which means we gotta rip out some more screws. Let's put it over to the side. So you can see, hopefully. Maybe not. But these ones are easier. Take off. Oh, maybe I'll just need to take off this one. Because I don't. Well, might as well take out the motor too. Because can't have too many motors. Motors are really helpful. Really, really useful. Thank you, Goodwill. Oh, that's just a microcontroller. The chip has a capacitor in it. I don't really care about the chip. All right. Sweet. Here's the motor. I could use you. Maybe for. Maybe. We'll see. That's sick. Boom. There we go. Motor. Sweet. All right. I'll put this in my parts. That over there. Might find a use for that one. This, don't really care about. Oh, there's a gear in here. Could you potentially use that gear? Nah, I don't really care about that gear. I'm gonna throw this away. Oh my gosh, where's my camera? Here it comes. Come on. So close. Go. Yeah. Where are we in here? I mean, I guess it's separate. That sucks. Okay. Put some more wires in. Okay. There we go. Boom. This I could potentially make use of. Uh-huh. Oh, there it goes. That's where that screw went. Hmm. I don't think I can make use of this because I don't know where the leads are. Dang it. I'm confused. Well, this motor works. Whatever. Just toss it. So much effort for something I can't use. Sucks. It's fine. Really? Whole chassis. That's everything I can grab from it. Let's grab these screws. I'll make use of those later. I could potentially screw it in my servos. Yeah. That's about it. That's all she wrote. This thing's cool. Oops. My bad. This thing's pretty cool. Don't really need it. Pretty cool. What do you think? Should I keep it? You know what? Why not? Keep it over here. We'll keep it up there. As a memory. All right. Unfortunately, I need to buy another stupid servo. Sucks. But at least we got to learn a little bit more. And at least I got one motor. So that's pretty cool. So this thing will turn. I could turn potentially those gears. And by turning those gears, maybe I can turn the wheels. Maybe this one's stronger than the other motors I have. No idea. No idea if I can even use this one. I don't think it'll be strong enough. I don't know. We'll see. But it looks like the same motor that's inside my TT motors. So it might be weak too. I might as well keep it up. I was hoping there was a servo, but there's not, unfortunately. But who knows? I might make use of these wheels later on. That's pretty cool. This one's solid. This one's turns. Wonder why. Why would they make one that turns? That doesn't make sense to me. But it is what it is. This one, I can burn both wheels. This will be cool. This would be really cool. I'll make use of this maybe later on. Still, I'm building my arsenal. Anyways, that's it. See you later, guys. Disappointing, but it is what it is.